Let's make today two types of salad. First, let's make my favorite strawberry salad. For that, we will take cream cheese, lemon juice, vanilla essence, some fresh strawberries, spinach, mint leaves, and basil leaves. For crunchiness, we will add some almonds. Then add salt, pepper, and give this a good mix. Voila, your salad is ready to eat. Enjoy! Now let's make the grape salad. First, add some cream cheese and beat it. Then add sour cream. Vanilla essence and sweetener. Then add salt, lemon juice and pepper. Mix all the ingredients together to make a smooth batter. Then add some pomegranate, grapes. For crunchiness you can add nuts, goji berry, and then mix them together and it's ready to eat. You can serve it as a side dish and it's so delicious, you must try it out. Do let me know in the comments if you like the recipe. And don't forget to follow. Also, do let me know in the comments which is your favorite salad.